Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WebRTC for video calling in mobile apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up WebRTC for video calling in your mobile app, ensure you have a solid development environment ready. Start by choosing the right framework for your mobile app, such as React Native or Flutter. Next, install necessary dependencies specific to your chosen framework that support WebRTC. For React Native, you can install the React Native WebRTC package. If you're using Flutter, add the Flutter_WebRTC plugin to your project. Once you've added the dependencies, you need to link them if you're on React Native. After linking, it's crucial to configure the necessary permissions in the app's manifest file. Grant permissions for camera and microphone access, as they are essential for video calling. Now, set up a signaling server to enable peer-to-peer communication. You can use WebSocket or any other signaling method to facilitate this connection. Implement the signaling logic in your mobile app to exchange session information between peers. Next, initialize the WebRTC configuration, which includes defining ICE servers for network traversal. Start by creating a new instance of RTC peer connection. Once the connection is established, create an offer using the createOffer method. Send the generated offer through your signaling server to the other peer. Upon receiving the offer, the other peer should create an answer using the createAnswer method. Ensure that both peers set the remote description to establish a connection. Pass these candidates through your signaling server to maintain the connection. Next, capture media streams from the user's device using getUserMedia. Add the captured media stream to the RTC peer connection. You can now render the local video stream in your app's user interface. To display the remote video, set the remote stream to the appropriate video element. Test the video calling feature between two devices to ensure everything works as expected. Debug any issues by utilizing the WebRTC debugging tools available in your development environment. After successfully completing the setup, focus on optimizing the video quality and performance. Implement error handling and user feedback during call connections to enhance user experience. Once everything is solid, consider adding features like call controls and chat functionalities. Finally, keep your dependencies up to date for the latest WebRTC improvements and security patches. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.